Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word oscillator. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The electronic oscillator produces a steady output signal frequency. An oscillator is a device that generates a repeating electronic signal, typically a sine wave, square wave, or triangle wave, at a specific frequency. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.